We haven't tried digging on the right side.
Over here, my friend. Keep digging. I'm here.
I see a color. It's pink. Who's the pink number block?
The pink number block, that's me, the amazing Octoblock, as you can see. I can't be late. To join the squad, I need to be 1 by 8.
Now we can make Octoblock stand tall. Do you know where number 8 goes? After 9? No. What about after 7? Yes, 8 is 1 unit taller than 7. And look, 9 is 1 unit taller than 8.